think what happened from that 38th minute when Lloyd got the red card to the end of the game just illustrates how brilliantly organized the Springbok team is. One of the players, in fact, it could have been Andre Esterhuizen, said exactly that, John, that Rassie had said to them, there is a good chance that there will be a red card in this game because of the intensity that is going to be played and the attitude that the French are going to come with all their revenge, etc. So, and Andre said, well, you don't know obviously what number is going to go off. So, but what you can prepare for is how you deal with the red card, the attitude that you show. And I mean, they were just so slick, so brilliantly organized. It was like pieces of a puzzle slipping in. I mean, as Ruan coming on because you need someone to run the lineouts. We had Sasha go to fullback. We had Andre defending in the back line. We had him packing down in the scrums. Who else am I missing there? There was someone else who came on and off, but it all just went like clockwork. They said, right, this, that, and they just hit the ground running. And man, the way they closed that game down. You know, I just want to touch on this whole French thing about the revenge. I mean, I listened very carefully at the start of the game. They were reading out the Springbok names. You know how they do on the big screen and they booed every single South African player. And then when they got to the coach, Rassie Erasmus, the whole stadium just erupted in boos. You know, and this whole revenge thing, you know, the thing that made me laugh is South Africa stole the World Cup from us. Well, how can you have something stolen from you that is not in your possession?
Never had it. Yeah.
So
that was in the quarterfinals. We didn't even
funny.
make the semis or the final.
Yeah. And come to think of it,
Well,
they
say
they've
that
stolen the hosting from South Africa. So
Yeah, they
who stole what?
And they properly stole it with brown envelopes.
Revenge is a dish best served cold. Well, I think for the French, the dish was sent back to the kitchen. It was not palatable at all.